Welcome to
an Exploring Nature with Children workshop. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh, I can't find any ants anywhere.
Honk!
So our first big discussion question is,
Can you imagine if trees could talk?
what are the benefits of dark and nighttime?
Is it ever okay to chop down a tree? We thought we would teach you a game. Solstice! Storm!
If you'd like to make one of those, I'm going to show you next with our craft activities.
Could you have a go at making one yourself?
I just wanted to show you that quickly because I'm still here wandering around looking at lichen. And I've found some lichen already, is I've noticed even more lichen on the trees.
I think you got noun and verb mixed up.
Oh, I've got stuck.
The workshop.
The camera!
Did you enjoy that?
No.
No? Okay.